In this table, we have both positive and negative percentage, and wherever we have positive percentage, and if I check this checkbox, you can see the entire row is highlighted in color. Now let's see how to do it in Excel. I go to the next sheet where we already have the data. So first, let's insert the checkbox. For this, I select the entire cell where we need a checkbox, and on next to Home tab, we have Insert tab. Here you have a checkbox. If you click this, you have the checkbox in each cell. Now let's select the entire table. Then go to Home tab and we have a conditional formatting and new rule, and use this function. And here let's write a formula. So let me select this cell F3, and I want to press F4 from the keyboard to remove this lock. Since we need to extend this formula, let me press F4 twice, and then is equal to, I will type it as true. It means if this cell is true, once we click this cell, checkbox this cell, it will become true. The result should be, go to format, and you go to fill, and you select the color green, click OK, click OK, and now the moment you click on this checkbox, the entire row get highlighted. Thank you.